Let's get that near the top. If is mouse button pressed, check if the mouse button has been pressed once. Yeah, I think that's what I want. Is mouse button pressed? Oh, I have to give it the button. 0. Yeah. Draw is no. I want to swap the record. That's all I think I want to do. And we'll have to drop this const. AI record. Yeah. That's what I want to do if the mouse button's been pressed. No. Not just if it's been pressed. If it's been pressed and we're inside the button. And inside circle. And mouse inside circle. Then I want to swap the record. I wonder if I want to give this a tiny bit of jitter. Like if I want to up the radius slightly. I don't know. But I think that's what I want. If the mouse button has been pressed and we're inside the circle, swap the record state. Yeah. That sounds good. That sounds good. Okay, and let's do something really basic. AI record do red else I don't know, black or blue. I don't know. That seems dumb. Black seems less dumb, but we'll change it later. We'll change it later. Okay, is this all I want the UI to do? For now, yes. I want to make this slightly different. I don't just want it to be one circle. I want it to look a little bit better than just a single circle because that looks not not very good. But we don't need to worry about that right now. We can maybe even import a texture for it. I don't know. But right now, this is fine. We can fix this later. We can make it look pretty later. Let's write this, but let's write this. It's not really a widget. It's kind of a utility function. But it's intrinsically linked to a widget. I mean, it's not intrinsically linked to a widget, but it's intrinsically linked to the UI. I could put it here in the widgets because that's where I put this. So we'll do it for now. We'll say int mouse inside circle. And what do we have? Int x, int y, float radius. Yeah, I think that's right. And so we want to go mouse x, mouse y. And we want to get mouse x equals get mouse x, mouse y equals get mouse y. Okay. No, you can get the position. Oh, you can set the mouse position. That's interesting. You can set the cursor type, touch related input, basic shape drawing function, set texture in rectangle. Um, yeah, that's a later problem. Okay, so if I click literally anywhere, okay, it has to be in the program. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's cool. That's working. And none of the other buttons do anything? No, okay. I think I do want to keep these separate because I think I do want to be able to toggle recording to all outputs without having to re-specify the output. I think I want to be able to go stop, start, stop, start, stop, start. I think that makes sense. So yeah, I think I do want to record and what did I do? Oh, I jumped. Yeah, okay. Did I do it again? What just happened? Yeah, I did. Okay. So check if the mouse is inside a circle. I guess I want to get the distance from mouse X, mouse Y to XY. And then check if that's less than radius. I guess so. So what I want to know is I want to know if X minus mouse X times X minus mouse X plus Y minus mouse Y times Y minus mouse Y will do equals, even though it's floating. Even though it's floating point, we'll do equals. Why not? I wonder if that's more expensive for a floating point. Nah, surely not. I mean, it might be, but something like that. What is happening? Oh, I see. I was hitting the wrong button. Okay, so clicking out here does nothing. Okay, that's kind of cool. That works. All right, now let's think about recording. I'm gonna hard code it first. I'm definitely gonna hard code it first. Here. Okay, firstly we need to redo this because we don't want to do it this way, I think. I don't think that makes sense. Does it? This function was really structured to compute gain. I think I want to move some of this other stuff into here. And maybe for computing gain, I want to store yet another variable, which is like number of samples processed or gain samples processed or something. Oh no, what have I done? Why are they not equal? Now they are. Very nice. Yeah, so here, maybe I want like a... something like a gain samples processed. Or just gain samples or something. How big am I willing to let this structure get? Again, I think it's easy to dig out of this hole if I don't like it. What I was saying before with regards to having a context parameter. I think that actually still should go in the audio input structure, even if we do that. Is there another way to do it? Of course, there's another way to do it. You can just heap allocate it and pass around a pointer. But you still need to store that pointer somewhere. Maybe there's not a better way of doing it. Either way, for now, I think this is fine. So we'll have computing gain, and then we'll have recording input, and then we'll have that there. I think like that. Okay. Yeah, and so this memory will be owned by the background thread that does the processing. Oh, no, this is not. Okay, whatever, it's fine. It's a little bit, you have to just keep track of who owns what, which is a little bit annoying, but that's not the end of the world. It's not nice and clean, but it'll work. Okay, so let's move some of this stuff elsewhere. Firstly, we're going to need a bit more here. So we want to process the audio input, and then we want to say if, and then we want that. I don't think that works. I can do that there though. So if, I mean, we can just do this, right? But I do want to know if that was an error. So if not error and no. So if we have an error or AI gain samples is greater than or equal to min samples, then we want to compute gain. If AI gain samples is less than min samples, then we want to display a warning about it. So this is computing gain. And we also want power to be in there, which is, we're just tracking as an int, because we're doing maximum, right? Yeah, we're doing maximum. So int power.